Most small businesses use AI randomly. One tool for content, another for emails. Nothing connects. It's chaotic and inefficient. In this video, I'll show you a complete AI workflow that small businesses can use to save time, stay organized, and grow step by step. Welcome to AI Business Blueprint. This channel helps business owners and side hustlers use AI to work smarter and grow without complexity. The workflow I'm about to share is beginner-friendly, no coding is required, and we won't be using any overly advanced or expensive tools. Let's start with the big picture. So, what is an AI workflow, really? It's not about finding one magic tool that does everything. An AI workflow is a system. A simple, effective system connects for key areas of your business: planning, content, communication, and follow-up. When these four areas work together, powered by AI, your business runs with less effort and more consistency. It allows you to move from being reactive to proactive. Now, let's build this exact workflow, step by step, so you can implement it in your own business. Every solid workflow starts with planning. Instead of waking up on Monday and just guessing what to work on, successful businesses use AI to organize their priorities. Here's a practical example. A small business owner lists all their potential tasks for the week, everything from client work to marketing and admin. Then, they use a simple AI tool to help prioritize those tasks based on their impact and urgency. This single step creates incredible focus. You experience less stress because you know exactly what matters most. Planning your week just once with AI can save you hours of wasted time and indecision later. Next up is content and marketing. This is where so many small businesses struggle with consistency. One week you post everywhere, the next week, it's complete silence. AI helps solve this problem by generating content ideas, drafting social media posts, outlining emails, and even creating simple video scripts. Instead of trying to create content every single day, you can batch create an entire week's worth of marketing materials in just a few hours. This approach works perfectly for faceless content, where you can rely on strong visuals, clear text, and stock clips. Marketing becomes a predictable system instead of a constant source of stress. Now, let's connect communication into our system. Small businesses lose an enormous amount of time replying into the same questions over and over again. AI can streamline this by drafting email responses, creating instant fact replies for your website or social media, and improving the tone and clarity of your messages. For example, a service-based business can save standard replies for common questions about pricing, the onboarding process, and project follow-ups. Then, when a similar question comes in, AI can rewrite that template to fit the specific context professionally and in seconds. This keeps your communication fast, professional, and consistently high quality. Admin work is the silent productivity killer for most businesses. It slows you down and drains your energy. AI can significantly lighten this load. It helps by drafting proposals, summarizing long meeting notes or transcripts, organizing scattered ideas, and creating structured documents from a few simple bullet points. Imagine you need to write a project proposal. Instead of staring at a blank page, you give an AI tool the key details, and it generates a professional first draft for you. This drastically reduces mental fatigue and saves a huge amount of time, allowing you to focus on the work that actually grows your business. The follow-up is where most businesses fail and leave money on the table. A potential client shows interest, but then life gets busy, and the follow-up never happens. AI helps solve this problem. It can draft polite reminder emails, help you create entire follow-up sequences for new leads, and ultimately improve your response rates. Once you've used AI to write these effective messages, you can save them as templates and reuse them. This creates consistency without requiring daily effort. Your follow-up process becomes systematic and almost automatic, instead of being an easily forgotten task. So, here's how this entire workflow connects and works together as a powerful system. First, you plan your week with AI to get total clarity on your priorities. Second, you batch create your marketing content for the week. Third, You use AI templates and drafts to handle customer communication efficiently. Fourth, you use AI to handle admin tasks faster, like drafting documents and proposals. And finally, you reuse your AI-assisted follow-up sequences to ensure no opportunity is missed. This integrated system is how small teams can operate with the efficiency and professionalism of much larger businesses. Let's do a final recap. This complete AI workflow helps you save time, stay organized, and reduce stress. It improves your consistency in marketing and communication. And it helps you scale your operations without immediately needing to hire more people. The key is to start with just one step. Maybe begin with weekly planning, or focus on your email replies first. Build slowly, and let the system grow with your business. If you want more step-by-step AI systems that you can copy and implement in your business, subscribe to AI Business Blueprint. In the next video, I'll show you specific AI tools that can replace the most common repetitive business tasks. Thanks for watching.